Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you again what is possible with Notion automations and how a invoice can be generated automatically from a Notion database. So what's the idea? The idea is we have this database, it's called Automated Invoice, and it has all of our client information. So we have the client name, we have the address, we have the invoice date, then we have the due date, which is a formula which automatically calculates 4 weeks on top of the invoice date. Then we have billable hours, hourly rate, and then again a formula which calculates the amount due. And what happens if we click this button, generate invoice? If we click this button, a invoice will be generated with those information. As you can see right now, our Google Drive folder is empty. All we have is this Google Docs document called invoice template, and if we look at this document, we can see that that's the name of our company. We have invoice date, due date, all of those liquids in brackets. Yeah, if we now click on generate invoice, a automation will run, and we will go into our Google Drive folder. It takes some seconds, and here we go. The invoice pops up, which got generated. And as we can see now, all of the informations which were in the brackets in the template are now filled out with the respective information from our Notion database. So we have the invoice date, we have the due date, we have the company name, the address, all of the financial information, and again the due date. So what this automation does, it just takes those information from our database, sends them to the invoice, and then generates a new invoice from the template. And then we have this invoice in our Google Drive folders, which is really nice because we don't have to do anything manual anymore. It all comes automatically from Notion to Google Drive. So to give you a bit of an idea what's the technical side behind this, so this button is called a webhook button. So by clicking this button, we trigger a webhook from make.com, which takes those informations and sends them to Google Drive. But yeah, I just wanted to show you in this video it's possible, what is possible with Notion, and I think this is a really nice use case to kind of promote this automation part of Notion because it's a lot of fun. If you're interested in more of the technical details and how you can set up this automation on your own, check out our Patreon, our free Patreon. We will show you around there more technical details about those things and give you more information. If you're not yet a user of Notion, of any Notion paid plan, this is needed for the automations. So I put the link down below, which is an affiliate link where you can sign up to a Notion paid plan. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope this gives you a bit of an idea of what is possible. Bye.